now we're going to talk about popcorn. So, if you love popcorn, do any of you ever go to the movie theater not to see the movie, just to get the popcorn and go home?
Oh, wow.
I'm not a popcorn fan.
There are people that do this.
Am I weird? I don't like popcorn.
Really? That is.
I mean, it's okay.
I don't love it either.
Oh, I love it.
Good.
I love it. Well, AMC Theaters has announced this really cool deal for popcorn lovers on Cyber Monday. And the best part, it's not like an impulse buy. Beginning on Monday, they're going to sell the AMC Popcorn Pass, which gets you a 50% discount on a large popcorn every day of the week, plus one free refill per day. The pass only costs $29.99. Which is incredible, right? And you don't have to get it on Monday. It'll be available as an ongoing thing. If you buy one, the discount is effective right away, and it's good through next year.